Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to change language on your Windows 11 laptop or PC that you're using right now. So first of all, you just need to go to the start menu, then go to settings, or you can just search for settings. And after that, just go to the time and language option. Then you can see there's option of language and region. So just click on it. And here, as you can see, English United States. So right now I don't have any language to change to, but if you want to change to any other language, just click on this add a language option. This will show you all the languages that you can download from internet to set up as a language on your PC. For example, if I just type here French, that I want to change my language to France, and just click on this and just click next. And also check mark this set as my Windows digital language and click on install. And then it will start to download the language pack and all the files that you need to download. So you just have to wait for a couple of minutes there. As you can see, it's pending right now. And as you can see, the French language pack has been installed. Now, if I want to change the language, now I can see I now have two languages. If I want to choose this language, and it's saying me that I need to sign out in order to display the language on my PC. Now, as you can see, my language has been changed to another language. If I go to settings, as you can see, if I open my file explorer, as you can see, the language has been changed. So that's it, guys. This is the video that I'm sharing with you. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe and thank you for watching.